Combining SUV practicality with all-terrain capability, open-top fun, and rad retro looks, the Bronco is perhaps the most charming SUV in Ford's lineup. The original Bronco was one of Ford's first SUVs, and it existed through several generations up until the early 1990s. Any changes for 2024 will likely be limited to new paint color and aesthetic options, and perhaps a new trim variant or special edition. With personality and capability in equal measure, the Ford Bronco is hard to not get a kick out of. It looks awesome, integrating cues of its legendary forebears in a totally modern way. Modern, too, is the inside, which proves functional and stylish with details like exposed screws and built-in auxiliary switches. The 2024 Bronco will likely continue with the engine options offered previously. That includes a 2.3-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine producing 275 horsepower and 315 lb-ft of torque on regular gas, or 300 horsepower and 325 lb-ft on premium. It's connected to a 10-speed automatic or 7-speed manual transmission. Tested a manual transmission 2-door Bronco accelerating to 60 miles per hour in 7.7 seconds. Fuel economy should rate at 16-20/17-21 mpg city/highway.